Then tramadol is the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Is the commonly used as a over-the-counter drugs. This non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug has an analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory actions. In comparison with a morphine, this non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, also called as a non-narcotics and aspirin-like of agent. This aspirin-like of agent is a weaker analgesic and do not depress the CNS, do not produces the physical dependence and no abuse liability. Mostly a long answer question asked on the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Classify the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and mechanism of actions, ADR and therapeutic applications of aspirin. These non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are broadly classified into four categories. Non-selective COX inhibitions like the aspirin, phenylbutazone, ibuprofen, mefenamic acids. Preferential COX-2 inhibitors is the diclofenac, nimesulide, etodolac. Selective COX inhibitions is the celecoxib, paracoxib, eterocoxib. Analgesic antipyretic with a poor anti-inflammatory actions is the paracetamol and metamizole. This slide summarizes the mechanism of action of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. During the inflammations, arachidonic acid is liberated from the phospholipid membrane and which is converted to the prostaglandin with the help of the cyclooxygenase enzyme. These non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs inhibit the prostaglandin synthesis by the inhibitions of the cyclooxygenase enzyme. This aspirin produces the irreversible inhibitions of the cyclooxygenase enzyme, whereas the rest of other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug produces the reversible inhibition of a cyclooxygenase enzyme. Therapeutic uses of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs considered as a potent analgesic for the various type of the conditions like the headache, backache, myalgia, neuralgia, toothache, dysmenorrhea. It also responsible to reduce the fever obtained from the various origin. Is used as a anti-inflammatory purpose like the arthritis and fibromyalgia. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin considered as a first drug of choice for the acute rheumatoid arthritis and acute rheumatoid fever and acute rheumatoid arthritis. Antiplatelet effect of low dose of aspirin can be used in a prophylactic purpose of thromboembolic disorders like the myocardial infarctions and transient ischemic attack. In this case, also preferred the low dose of aspirin because low dose of aspirin produces the antiplatelet activity. In osteoarthritis condition, also aspirin considered as a second line of the drugs. Paracetamol can be preferred for this condition. Apart from the various type of the miscellaneous condition, also preferred the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, like use in a closer patent of ductus arteriosus in newborns. It also, most of the studies suggested that aspirin recommended in a prevention of the colon and renal cancers to delay the labors because of inhibitions of the prostaglandin synthesis, and eclampsia in this case also preferred the aspirin. This non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug like aspirin also used as a keratolytic agent, mild antiseptic and fungistatic purpose. Coming to the adverse effect of the aspirin because of inhibitions of the prostaglandin synthesis, it produces the broadly gastrointestinal related side effect like the epigastric distress, nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal mucosal damaging effect, and peptic. It also produces the hypersensitivity reactions. Hemolytic anemia is in people with a glucose 6-PD deficiency. Salicylism is the one of the most are caused by the inflammatory doses because the in a analgesic doses tolerable form of the ADR caused by the aspirin, but for the inflammatory dose it may cause the the various type of the side effects like the salicylism, which is characterized by the dizziness, vertigo, tinnitus, reversible impairment of the hearing and visions and electrolyte imbalance. One more most important concept is the Rett syndrome, which is mostly asked in Viva and MCQ. If the aspirin is given in a children with a viral fever, in this case, cause the Rett syndrome, which is characterized by the hepatic damage and encephalopathy. Inhibition of PG synthesis thereby delay the onset of the labors and increase the chances of the postpartum hemorrhagic attack. Long-term administration also cause the reversible damage of the kidney damaging type of the effect and may cause the analgesic nephropathy type of the syndrome. Let's compare the aspirin and morphine. Aspirin is the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and morphine is the opioid analgesic. As a chemistry point of view, it is a salicylic acid and morphine is the opioid analgesic, which is obtained from the opium of Papaver somnifera. Aspirin has the analgesic, antipyretic and anti-inflammatory as well as antiplatelet activity, but morphine produces only analgesic effect. Euphoria, sedation, abuse potential is more common with aspirin, but more common with morphine, but not with an aspirin. Aspirin produces the respiratory stimulation type of the effect, whereas the morphine produces the respiratory depression type of the effect. Aspirin produces the effect by the inhibition of the prostaglandin synthesis by inhibiting the cyclooxygenase enzyme, whereas the morphine produces the stimulatory effect on the opioid receptor, which is a G protein coupled receptors. In a poisoning cases, with a morphine, we have antidotes, it's the naloxone, but with the aspirin, we have no antidotes. Especially aspirin preferred as an analgesic for the various type of the conditions, secondary prophylaxis of the myocardial infarctions and anti-rheumatic purpose. But morphine produces the potent analgesic effect, anesthetic purpose, and diarrheal and cough, treatment of the diarrhea and cough. This chart summarizes the properties of commonly used non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. We have aspirin, paracetamol, diclofenac, pyrizolam, phenylbutazone, endomethacin, and ibuprofen. Now we'll discuss with our next system is the drugs acting on the gastrointestinal system. There are different type of the acid peptic diseases or disorders like the duodenal ulcer, gastric ulcer, trace ulcer or drug-induced type of the ulcer is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug-induced type of the ulcer. This ulcer mainly caused by the imbalance between the acid pepsin secretions and the mucosal defense mechanism. And one of the positive agent for the peptic ulcer is the H. pylori infections. We have drugs to reduce the gastric acid secretion used in treatment of peptic ulcer. We have H2 antihistaminics like a cimetidine, famotidine, ranitidine, roxetidine, which is competitively block the histaminic H2 receptor and produces the effect. Proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole, pantoprazole, lansoprazole, tabeprazole, which is responsible to inhibit the proton pump, potassium ATPase pump. And anticholinergic drugs, also called as antimuscarinic drugs like the palansipine, talanzipine, oxyphenone, produces the effect on the muscarinic receptoric mechanism. These all category of the drugs responsible to reduce the gastric acid secretion and helpful in a peptic ulcer condition. We have drugs that neutralize the gastric acid means antacid. We have two types of the antacids, systemic antacid like the sodium bicarbonate and non-systemic antacid like the magnesium hydroxide, magnesium triasilicate, aluminum hydroxide. Ulcer protective drug like the sucralfate and CBS means the colloidal bismuth substrate also produces the protective response on the ulcerative parts. And other drugs and anti-H. pylori drugs like the antibiotics, amoxicillin, metronidazole, tinidazole, clarithromycin, and broad-spectrum antibiotics like the tetracycline. It's missing of slides. Key point for the dentistry is the repeated use of the benzodiazepine can cause the drug tolerance and dependence. Ketamine is the dissociative anesthetics, should be avoided in an epileptic because it may cause or precipitate the seizure, and in patient with a history of psychiatric disorders. The combined preparation of vasoconstrictor and local anesthetic should be avoided in a patient with hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, or arrhythmias or uncontrolled hyperthyroidism because this adrenaline causes the systemic toxicity. Morphine is contraindicated in elderly and patient with head injury because morphine are more prone to produces the respiratory depressions, and in head injury also contraindicated because there is mental crowding type of the morphine effect may cause the disturbances in assessing of the progress of the head injury in patients. Patient on the aspirin should stop 5 to 7 days before the dental procedures because of the antiplatelet activity of the aspirin, and there is cause of the aspirin cause the bleeding tendency. So before the any dental procedure, 5 to 7 days before stop the aspirin. Dentists should be carefully in using the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and other gastric irritant in a patient suffering from the acid peptic disorders. This is one of the slide which summarize the mechanism of actions of how these drugs act in peptic ulcers. This gastric acid regulations, gastric acid secretion is regulated by the vagus gastrin and locally release the histamine, which is act on own receptoric mechanism, and this activated the proton pump, potassium ATPase, hydrogen potassium ATPase pump, which is a final pathway for the secretion of the gastric acid secretions, which is blocked by the proton pump inhibitors like the omeprazole. This proton pump is the most efficient inhibitors of the gastric acid secretions and commonly used cause the ADR like the GI disturbances, dizziness, drowsiness. Long-term administration may cause the vitamin B12 deficiency and also used in a treatment of drug-induced type of the ulcer and gastroesophageal reflux diseases and JD syndrome associated with the gastric secretion tumor.